We've talked about 2 out of the 3 things that make Mathspace unique. We've talked about the handwriting recognition, and we've talked about our StepSmart technology giving students feedback at every step. The third thing that makes Mathspace unique is our adaptive learning. And it's powered by what you see here before you, which we call our knowledge graph. We've taken every concept in math, in this case in the topic of whole numbers, and you can see they're connected in a directional network. So Mathspace knows that, for example, once I complete single-digit multiplication, I've got the skills to move on to single-digit division, or more complex multiplication, double-digit, and once I master both of those, I can go on to more complex division. And so we've built a structure which understands all the prerequisite knowledge and how it builds up. And you can see for whole numbers, it all leads to order of operations. In Mathspace, the power comes when you look holistically across the whole math curriculum, or all of math, and you can start to see how this network of mathematical concepts interconnects and interrelates. And how this works in practice is, if a student is struggling with a question, we'll let them know with feedback that they got a line incorrect. At the end of that question, we'll give them another question of the same difficulty level or slightly easier. If they continue to struggle, for example with representation of directed numbers, we can recognize that they're struggling with that because they never mastered the prerequisite, and we'll take them back to a prerequisite topic to build up their skills and move them forward. So what makes Mathspace's adaptive learning engine so powerful is the amount of data we collect. Because we collect data at every intermediate step, we can feed that into a powerful adaptive learning engine that has a much more granular view of your student's ability than any other program. And over time, we can identify all of the gaps in your student's knowledge based on this prerequisite map, which we call our knowledge graph.